Imagine a vibrant park filled with the chatter of children and the lively sound of birds. Amidst this picturesque setting, a fluffy golden retriever puppy named Max bounds around with uncontainable energy. His tiny paws pattering against the freshly cut grass, Max chases a colorful butterfly, his tongue playfully flopping out. Suddenly, he notices a tennis ball rolling in his direction. With a playful bark, Max sprints towards it, his tail wagging furiously like a joyous flag. He leaps, catching the ball in a clumsy, adorable dance, eliciting cheers and laughter from onlookers. Max trots back proudly, the epitome of puppy delight, spreading smiles as he goes.